Hello everyone. If you're posting on TikTok and your videos are not getting views, you're probably missing one thing: trends. So in this video I'll show you how to use an app called TrendTok Analytics to find TikTok trends early and grow faster. So what is TrendTok Analytics? TrendTok Analytics is a mobile app that helps creators discover trending sounds, hashtags, and content ideas before they go viral. It uses data and analytics to predict which trends are about to blow up. So open your phone and before downloading the app, open it, tap next, generate, choose the one that best fits you. I'm just starting out, tap continue. First select your country or region. This is important because TikTok trends are different from one country to another. What are your channel's interests? TrendTok lets you choose categories like gaming, entertainment, motivation, and more. Select next, then continue. What would you like help with? Like sounds, hashtag, trends. Select what you want and tap continue. Tap your age, then continue. Select for business or personal, then tap continue. It is optimizing now. Tap continue. How did you hear about ads? Select Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. Tap continue. Scroll down and go to trending sounds. I select pet. There are many trending sounds. I take this sound, so he gives you the number of comments, like, plays, and engagement. He gives you also hashtags. Use only 3 to 5 hashtags. Tap copy, and the hashtags are copied now. Tap on your sound, then tap on the TikTok icon, and tap using sound. So this is the video. Paste your hashtags. Don't forget to make the video for everyone. Finally, tap post. So my personal strategy is simple. Pick one trending sound, create a short video, and posting in the same day. Finally, if you want more TikTok growth tips and trending apps, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.